everyone, I am NIBHA and I have started my journey of English learning, and today is day 14 of my journey, and I have no is true footprint of how I start my journey. But now I find a YouTube channel who teaches how to speak fluently English, and the channel is Dear Sir. He make a perfect course, and one and he try to deliver good content of how we improve our English and how we can learn English speaking fluently and without more stress on itself. We can easily speak English very fluently and very slowly way and not stress on itself. I'm very enthusiastic by his course. I see one video and I am very impressed by his video content and how he will manage all these things very good way. And now I'm started the journey of English learning with Dear Sir, and I learn every day from his video, and whatever I learn I uploaded video or about this thing, and then I upload. If you want to learn English and improve your English from basics, please connect with me. I'm also a beginner and started my journey, and let's learn English together. Thank you so much.